In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop shadow in Adobe After Effects. So you can do this with both text and images. And the first thing we need to do is just go and open up our document. And you can see I have this logo here, and this is what I'm going to add the drop shadow to. So first thing is to come over to Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effects and Presets checked like this. And once you have this window enabled, you should be able to see Effects and Presets in the right hand side. Now in the search box, just go and search for shadow, and then we're going to scroll down and you should see this effect here called drop shadow. So all you simply need to do is double click on this effect like so. And as long as you have your image selected, this is going to apply the drop shadow to your image. So now what you can do is go and make adjustments to this shadow. So for example, I can go and increase or decrease the distance. I'm also going to increase the softness of the drop shadow. You could change the color as well and also the opacity. And if you wanted to create a drop shadow for some text, you could do the same thing as well. So if I go and type in text shadow, we could simply come back over to the effects tab in the right hand side and make sure you have your text layer selected, and then you can double click on the drop shadow, and then once again in this left hand window you can go and create all of your adjustments. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.